Thai food. And recreating the cuisine at home is a slight bit difficult, particularly for vegetarians. So I created my own version, which is simplified and Indianized. Today I'm going to make a Thai coconut soup. Come and see. So we're going to start by heating the oil on medium heat. So yeah, add about half a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add some sliced ginger, about a tablespoon of minced garlic. And you give it a stir. Let it cook for about 5 minutes before you add anything else. So the ginger and garlic just add to the aromatics of the curry. So now I'm going to add the curry paste. This is a ready Thai curry paste which you get readily available in your local markets. I'm adding about a tablespoon. And then you add the baby corn, followed by the carrot juliennes and baby shallots. Give it a stir, coat it with the masala, and let the vegetables roast for about another 5 minutes. The vegetables look roasted enough, so now I'm going to add the coconut milk. It's about 200 milliliters. And now I'll add a cup of water. A little less than a teaspoon of salt. Remember that your curry paste already has some salt in it. I'm going to add a pinch of brown sugar and about half a tablespoon of soya sauce. I'm going to add a packet of instant noodles. So while the noodles cook in the broth, I'm going to chop the spinach. About a cup of spinach. Just throw the spinach in on top. It'll cook on its own. And last but not least, a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. So rice wine vinegar is the last bit that you add to make it into a Thai dish. It's readily available in any supermarket. Our soup is now ready and we're ready to serve. And to finish it off, a sprinkle of toasted peanuts along with toasted sesame seeds. A final garnish of coriander. And to serve, a wedge of lime. So this wedge of lime completes our dish. This is ideal for me because it's a gravy soup, which is warming. There's noodles, which is fulfilling, and there's vegetables that are nutritious. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to India Food Network. Happy monsoon!